Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how I got some awesome results with a sniper bot and explain how it works. Want to find that next big meme coin that could grow 100 times before everyone else jumps in? Truth is, most people only hear about these coins after they're already super popular and the big wins are gone. But what if you could spot a winner early? That's what I'm here to teach you. I'll go over how to find new meme coins, check if they're worth it, and avoid getting scammed. Watch until the end, and I'll give you a simple step-by-step plan that pro traders use to grab the best deals. Today, I'm using a cool tool called Pump. It's a sniper bot, and people in our private group are already seeing great results with it. Let me tell you what sniper bots are all about. So, what's a sniper bot? It's like a super fast helper that buys coins for you the moment they show up, usually before other traders even notice. These bots check the blockchain for new coins and make trades crazy fast, like in a split second. That speed lets you get in early, which is where you can make the most money. But here's the thing. You've got to be careful. Some coins are fake or don't have enough buyers to make trading easy. I'll share some tricks to stay safe and make smart moves with tools like Snipe. Ready to jump into the fun world of memecoin hunting? Let's do this! I opened the Pump Sniper bot. Link you will see in the description or in the pinned comment. Click here, Start, and small information appears. In the bottom, you can see this buttons. Click Trading. Bot writing to us that we need to deposit any of this tokens to activate the functions of the bot. I choosing Solana, cause I have it this tokens now. Copy this address and sending any amount of Solana. I will send 5. After I send it, I going back to the bot and click here Confirm the transaction. And now waiting up to 30 minutes until the money will came. Super! 5 Solana just came to the bot, and now I can using the function of this bot. Click here Start, and the bot activated searching memecoins machine. Now we can at any time check the balance and the progress of the bot. Let's wait for this video 1 hour. And we'll check the results. 1 hour has passed, and now let's see what we have in the bot. I write the start command, and yes, now I have a bit less than 8 Solana. That's mean in profit I have 2.8 Solana, which is honestly incredible. Now, to withdraw this funds, I click on the wallet button. Then here, click on the withdraw. Choose the receive currency. Paste your wallet address here, in which you want to receive your coins. And now we are waiting up to 30 minutes. Yes, I received my Solana right now. And now we can make a conclusion of this video. In 1 hour, I made from 5 Sol almost 8. I think this is great result, and I hope you understand everything from this video. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Wish you all luck and profits. Bye.